up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. I'm recording on the GoPro today because my camera lens on my A7 is actually damaged, so it's out getting repaired. Hopefully it'll be fixed soon. But like the title says, we're going to be installing side skirt extensions on the Evo 10 today. So I picked these up for my boy Jesus, so shout out to Jesus. Hopefully you're watching this. Hopefully you're supporting your boy. But yeah, I'm going to be installing these side skirt extensions on the Evo 10. So the brand is Gorilla Splitters, and I'm gonna do a quick once over, kind of like a review on how they are quality wise, how I feel about them, because these are actually brand new. Jesus is undergoing a build and he realized that money could go elsewhere. Smart man. So now at first glance, I can see that the little winglet type thing, they aren't actually attached to the extension itself, and it requires me to drill holes in them. It came with some screws to get them attached to the side skirt extension, which is a little upsetting, which is extra work that I don't really want to do. But they are made of aluminum, which is cool, which I do like. I'd much rather them be made of metal than plastic, so that's a plus. Also, there's no holes in the extension itself, so I have to drill holes in those also to get them to bolt up to the side skirt. So another con, in my opinion, I mean, I don't know if that's the same across all brands of side skirt extensions, but if it is, that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But luckily for me, I actually have an old side skirt off my car, so I'll be able to use the holes from that and line it up with the side skirt extension. That way installation should go a lot smoother than what it would be if I had to like hold it up, mark holes on it that way. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the process of drilling the holes, so that way we can get it ready to go on the car. So really quick, I have it mocked up how it's gonna look on the car. And actually, I mean, I like it. I'm still a little iffy on whether or not I wanna keep my mud flaps on, because I don't know if it kind of like messes with the look at all. And at some point, I'm probably gonna have to get a rear diffuser as well. I think that'll like make it blend well together. That, and also some front canards. I think those will actually make it look good as well. I've actually wanted some of those for a while, but I just need to fix my whole front bumper in general, just because it needs to be repainted. It needs to be re-fiberglassed in some spots. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with it. I'm gonna go ahead and start drilling the holes so that way I can get it all mounted up. Okay, so passenger side is all mounted up. Man, my car is dirty. But yeah, it's all mounted up. All that's left is to mount the winglet on there, but it's on there. I actually had to put some additional screws. I didn't just use the factory screws that go into the side skirt. I got some extra ones, some extra self-tapping screws that I had, and I screwed those in as well, because I wasn't too confident in just using those screws that came with it. But this is a lot better. So now all I have to do is actually drill holes into the winglet here, and 2 holes or mounting holes into the side skirt extension also. After it's all said and done, it should sit something like that. So next I'm gonna go ahead and finish that up. Now they wrapped the winglets with vinyl wrap, and looks like they didn't do the greatest job. So I don't know, maybe at some point I may rewrap these in black, in gloss black, but for now I'm just gonna throw them on. But like I said, you can see here, they didn't do the best job when it came to wrapping, so. Skirt extensions are all done, aside from my car being filthy. I think it looks pretty good. One thing I actually don't like though is the fact that these bolts that they provided for the winglets are like silver. They kind of stick out like a sore thumb. So what I'm gonna do is either I'm gonna find some black bolts or just maybe paint those black at some point, so that way it's less noticeable. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Like I said, paint on mine to the dirty car. And it doesn't stick out too much, which I like as well. They retail for about $130, but I picked them up for $120. But yeah, I'll be sure to link it in the description. Subscribe for weekly videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.